animals?
Dog, cat, rabbit.
Wild animals?
Tiger, elephant, cheetah.
What are the domestic animals?
Cat, pig, dog, sheep, rabbit, cow, duck, donkey.
Tell any three trees names.
Coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree.
Flowers names, Nana?
Rose, lotus, marigold, jasmine, sunflower.
Pujita, say what are the uses of water?
Watering plants, bathing, drinking, washing clothes, cooking.
Wild animals live in?
Forest.
Very good. Nikshita, water animals live in?
Water.
Ritvika, trees gives us?
Oxygen.
Very good.